guys, welcome back to Blooming channel. Today we're teaching how to fly horizontal drones. The version is HS420. Yes. So you're gonna get in the application and this remote control first. This is kind of a little bit offset. You see the remote? This one is going, if we go to turn it on 10, just pretend. If we go up, is the drone go up, down, this is spin, this is turn, but not sideways. This forward, this go up, let's go up, forward, backward, and sideways. And to take off, place this button one time to take off, and one time again to go down. If we press like this long time, it will shut down, but it will waste the battery. And this press one time is spin, press another time, we will make a circle. So here's the camera. You can click the photo and click the video. Okay, so it's all the functions we have. So just take it out, turn it on. It's have low and high. For this we will use low first and see how it does. So to boot it, the drone is also turned on. Let me go. Battery is loaded. You need to press this button, hold and press to turn on. Here first. So to boot, we just need to take this one up, down, and you see this LED light is stop blinking. So let's go to the application to see the horizontal drones and camera. Okay, so here you are at the screen of the tablet. So here we have the settings. Go into test settings, Wi-Fi. This one we already connected. Whoa! What? Hey! Wait. Okay, so battery is running out. Okay, go to snap. Go to Horizontal app and press enter device, and as you can see, you can do awesome things like because here is the control, you can control it, but now we already have the controllers. It's not, you can use that way. If you press this, you can control it, but it's kind of tricky, so I will just use the controller. Okay, so just press the button as I told you. And then move forward, go turn, move forward, turn. You see me there. It's sort of kind of fun to look at the camera. Oh, this camera is also kind of great because this have a delay. You see someone there. It's no delay. It's awesome. So, let's try just like to land. Yeah, that's the day. You also can record video from here. Okay. Just like okay. And it's also can spin. Yes. So let me try to spin it. Go forward. It's yeah. So okay. Let's try to spin it. Just press the button, the spin button. Oh, dizzy! It's so dizzy. I will show you the real camera from the real drone, how it flies from the camera later. I mean from the real camera, that's not the drone camera. This is a circle function. Let me try the circle function again. Okay, sounds great. If you hear the teet sound like that, it means the battery is almost low. And it also can do flip, like it cannot see in here, but it can do flip. I'll show you later when you use the arm. When you review the arm camera, the camera. This is the onboard camera. Be careful, don't go in that way of the fan. It's too weak to go in a fan. If you go in a fan, you will blow. The drone will go to somewhere else. Okay, it's kind of fun here to control the drone by looking the camera. But the camera is also perfect. See this sound? It's going to land and change the battery. So when we change the battery down, we will go on the camera. Okay? Wait a second. Okay, so here's the camera. I just need to take off the drone real quick with battery. And also, the drone will get a little bit hot if you use it too long. So make sure you like that is it. So okay. So as you can see now. Hey, where's the window? That's it. This is the spin. Circle. I get closer. This is the circle mode. And the flip that I say. See? That's incredible. That is when you get close to a flare. You need to go more lower or higher. sideways. The light, you can see the light on the drone is taking like right there. It's the light of the drone. It's up one light at the front, so you can know where's the back. The back is like black. Okay, the back is kind of low. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe for new videos, and that's just it. So please subscribe for the next videos to my channels. It's Bruno Min channels, and